Vanakkam and Om Namah Shivaya. Welcome to part 6 of the nature of Padi, Pasu and Pasam. The different states experienced by the soul. The states experienced by the soul can be grouped into two divisions. The first is Karana Avatti, the causal states, and the second is Karya Avatti, the effective states. The causal states are Kevalam, Sagalam, and Suttam. The causal states. Kevalam state, the state of total ignorance. In this state, the souls are not joined with Kanmam and Maya. They are totally tainted by the Avaraga Sati of Anavam. In this state, the soul cannot do or know anything. The soul does not even know that it exists. The soul does not have a body either. This state is specifically known as Anadi Kevalam. Even now, whilst we have a body, we experience a similar state in the deep sleep state known as Nitya Kevalam. Siva Peruman realized this hopeless state of Anadi Kevalam that the souls were experiencing. Therefore, out of compassion, he created a body for the souls from Maya and gave them a chance to express their likes and dislikes via their actions, Kanmam. Maya and Kanmam are therefore considered to be a medicine for the sickness of ignorance. This state, where Maya and Kanmam are experienced by the soul, is known as Sagalam. In this state, souls take various births and are born in different worlds. Suttam, the divine state. When the soul attains spiritual maturity, Siva Peruman banishes the impurities of the soul by giving the soul spiritual initiation. Thereafter, Jnanam is imparted to the souls. This state is known as Suttam. In this state, the soul remains in bliss. The effective states. The effective states experienced by the soul are as follows: Nannavu, the awakened state; Kannavu, the dream state; Urakkam, the sleep state; Perurakkam, the deep sleep state; and Uirpadangal, the breathless state. These states take place in all three causal states, which are Kevalam, Sagalam, and Suttam. The soul is omnipresent. Is the soul small or big? Some say that it is small. If it is small, can it be measured? Only unintelligent entities can be measured. Intelligent entities cannot be measured. If the soul is small, it may fall out through one's mouth or nostrils. Others say that the bigger the body is, the bigger the soul will be. If this was so, an animal with a big body, for example an elephant, should be more intelligent than something with a smaller body, like a human being. An elephant is definitely not more intelligent than a human being. Furthermore, if somebody loses a leg or a hand, then they should become less intelligent. Even this does not happen. Therefore, Saivaism says that a soul is omnipresent like the Lord. However, Anavam limits its omnipresence. In earlier videos, we learnt that Anavam means to make small. Even though the soul is omnipresent like the Lord, it is only omnipresent within the omnipresence of the Lord. Even though the soul is intelligent, Arnavam limits the soul's intelligence. The intelligence of the soul in the different states. In the state of Kevalam, the soul appears totally unintelligent. It is compared to darkness, and this state is also known as Irul Nile. In the state of Sagalam, there is some intelligence, and this is compared to the light of a lamp. It is also known as Marul Nile. In the state of Suttam, the soul appears most intelligent. It is compared to the light of the sun, and this state is also known as Arul Nile. The soul, which once suffered from total ignorance in the state of Kevalam, was given birth and death and made to learn by the Drodhana Sati of the Lord. When it attains the state of Iruvinayoppu, where it is not affected by the fruit of their good and bad deeds, and Malar Paripagam, when it is not tainted by impurities, Sivaperuman, with his Arul Sakti, gives wisdom and makes the soul attain its natural state of omnipresence. It then exists in a non-dual state with Sivaperuman and remains in bliss forever. This concludes part 6. Thank you for watching. Mikka Nandri Vanakkam.